Hey everyone, welcome back again. Let's start our new video tutorial. You want to download or install the Indeed app on your iPhone. You don't know how. Let's begin now. First, let's go to our App Store. Make sure your iPhone is connected with Wi-Fi through internet connection through Wi-Fi or cellular data. So you can see a search. Click on search. Now type Indeed. You can see the Indeed app here. Click on it. Now it will pop up the install. Now click on install and it will ask for your app store password. So let's give our app store password. Given my password and it's signing in. It's done and you can see it's downloading here, or you can say installing here. Let's wait a little bit. It will take some time and it's installed. You can now open it. And that's it. How this easy is easy. Hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you next time.